Hi! In front of me is MOTOROLA Razr 2022, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Motorola. You need to start by accessing Tab menu. In it, look for a location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. Then select Turn On in the pop-up or Close, in my case Close because my location is on. And when I go back, as you can see, it's disabled. In order to enable it, click on the same shortcut one more time. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and look for Location section here. When you find it, click on it and manage location by tapping on this sweater next to Use Location feature. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!